She's only a bird in a gilded cage, a beautiful sight to see. Good morning. This is Rhonda Ohlson from Woman Shine. Let your true colors shine through and express the real you. Are you feeling that you're like a bird in a gilded cage at the moment, unable to spread your wings and fly and unmask yourself and express your feelings? Maybe you're a very shy person who likes to be in that gilded cage and keeps yourself very much to yourself because you lack the confidence to express what you're really feeling, to be able to talk to your friends, to your family, to your work colleagues and say what you really want to tell them. So, well, I have just a thing for you today. My dear friend and singing teacher, Kim Kirkman, and myself have prepared a wonderful workshop for you called Joyful Creation Over the Rainbow. This is a face-to-face workshop at the Geebung State School Hall, and we'd love you to join us. It'll go from 9:30 till 4:30. And in it, we'll explore ways in which you can learn how to break free of the cage that you are in and open up the door and spread your wings and fly. I know some of you have said to me, oh, what, I can't sing. I'm not going to come along. I'm too scared. But it's amazing. Kim and I have taught this workshop for many years, and people often come along feeling afraid at first, but by the end of the workshop they're so glad they came because they now feel more confident in their body to stand up for themselves. And Kim does the work with the voice to help you speak out and sing out for yourself. So we'd love you to join us on Sunday the 1st of August. We're holding this dream that we're not going to go back into lockdown, that this cage will be open and we'll be able to fly. And each day up till the workshop, I'm going to do a little Facebook Live, just showing you some of the little tips that we'll be looking at during the workshop. So the first thing is to be able to spread your wings and fly. This is a little movement that I call spread your wings and fly. So I'm just going to take off the background so you can see me in person, hopefully. So to spread your wings and fly, if you're just sitting, can you place your hands on your lap and just very gently bring one hand up just over your legs, up over your body, up towards your face, and look at your hand. Have your elbow facing in, and then just reach out with your elbow and let your hand turn so that your hand moves. Your palm turns away from you, and then bring your hand back and bring it down onto your lap again. It's like a baby, one of its first movements is to reach out for something that it wants and then bring that something back to their mouth. So if we're reaching out, we're wanting to break out of this shell, we're reaching out and we're bringing it back in. And bringing our hand down. Let's try that with the other hand, bringing the hand up, looking at your hand, reaching out, and then bringing the hand back. And then reaching up with the other hand, and bringing the hand back. And as you bring the hand back, just breathe down into your lower belly. And as you reach out, let out the sound, bring the hand back to your mouth. You might find you have a big yawn. Reach out and touch somebody's hand. Make this world a better place. If you can, reach out and touch somebody's hand. Make this world a better place. if you can. So we'd love you to join us on Sunday, the 1st of August for this workshop. Please find the links below, and bye for now.